Hey fans, Anime God is here. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe and join to the squad. Today I am going to tell you what is an anime, what is a cartoon, and what are the similarities and what are the differences between anime and a cartoon. Without a further ado, let's jump into the meat and potatoes of this video. If you are an anime fan and when you watching an anime, suddenly someone comment on you that you are watching a cartoon, your initial reaction will be
Nani?
何お前はもう死んでいる。
Stop clapping.
for that reaction, there is some pretty good reasons. Also, the anime community has created thousands and thousands memes about this matter. First of all, let's find out what is an anime. If you only consider the technical level, anime is just a term that used in Japanese for animation. All the animated product can be considered as anime. Even though that sounds ridiculous, that's the fact. So in that logic, Western cartoons and even cartoons that created from India can be considered as anime. In vice versa, all the animes can be considered as cartoon as well. If you really think about it, in technical level, there is no difference between cartoon and anime. If you consider the cultural level, there are huge differences between anime and cartoon. The main and most important one is where it has produced. If it is produced in Japan, it is definitely an anime. If it is not, then it is most probably a cartoon. So let's see what are the other differences between anime and a cartoon. These differences are not applied for each and every cartoon and anime. In here we are talking in general. Animes are produced for both children's and mature audience. In other hand, cartoons are mostly targeted on kids.
Oh, as Mr. Krabs said, Patrick, don't do that!
Cheesy. No danger here. Go on.
Most probably, animes have deep themes, while cartoons most probably have humorous themes. If you are an anime fan, you can see the difference between a cartoon and anime by looking at the drawing style and other art details. Naturally, most of the animes have detailed drawing. In other hand, most of the cartoons have deformed drawing style. Now let's see some few anime clips.
At least before I met her. But it seems there's a god on my side after all. And not just a god of death.
And now look at some of these clips as well.
Humanity has witnessed its last sunrise.
Right. I'd love to hear more about it, but
I believe that you can clearly understand art style of a general anime and a general cartoon. Now let's consider one of the most important factor, the storyline. Animes follows a plot that run for many episodes. Sometimes it can be hundred episodes. In other hand, cartoon follows a day-to-day story. There are animes that gives you a vibe of cartoons. The only reason they are considered as anime, they are produced in Japan. Typical examples are Samurai Afro and Big O. In other hand, there are Western cartoons that gives you a anime vibe. Typical example is Avatar: The Last Airbender. Even though it's not anime, it is a fantastic cartoon.
You lied to me!
Like I've never done that before.
I believe that whether it is an anime or a cartoon, it doesn't matter as long as you can enjoy the media. If you enjoy this video, leave a like, share this video with your friends and definitely subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.